Cats can get stinky. They can get contaminated. They like dark places to explore because that's where creepy crawly things are, and that's where they like to go and hunt. So the first thing is to be patient, versus we may be a species that likes to bathe. That is not inherently obvious for the cat. So you want to be patient. The best advice I can give is to start when they're a kitten, if that's possible. If you bathe your kitten when they're young, they don't realize that every other feline is getting bathed on a regular basis. Just like us, we like warm water. No cat wants to have a cold shower, so you should put your hand under the water, get it kind of room temperature. I will tell you lots of don'ts before I say the do, so you don't want to dunk the cat. That will lead to a very frightened, probably scratching, biting cat. Same thing with sprayers. A sprayer is a very unnatural, scary thing unless you know what it's about. So what I find best is to put a cat in a sink or a basin and then use a cup of water, warm water, and just slowly pour the water over the kitty. And then use a cat-friendly detergent, shampoo, rather. You don't want to use one that's meant for humans. So when you hear the commercials, pH balance for women, it's the same thing. You want pH balance for kitties. Some cats still are not going to go for that whole bathing routine. So there are products called dry shampoo, which is where you can actually use the powder to kind of freshen up the coat a little bit, make grooming or rather combing a little bit more smoother for the kitty. You do want to dry them. I would not suggest a hair dryer. Hair drying is a pretty unnatural thing for dogs or cats to have happen, but a nice towel dry. And then before the fur is completely dry, try to use a wide tooth comb to get out any snarls or etc. Another nice little pointer is perhaps to do the nail trim before the bath. If Mr. Kitty or Miss Kitty decides that they want to reach out and touch someone, it's always better to do that with some blunted nails than sharp nails. But cats can be trained, and they can actually look forward to grooming if done in a patient, calm, and repeatable manner.